Hi, I'm Marguerite and I came from Marinette, Wisconsin. I'm 65. I'm recently retired from healthcare. I worked in occupational therapy and I got caught in the middle of COVID earlier this year and I was close to retirement and I thought, well, maybe this was a good time to retire. I've been doing nothing since then. If I'm going to do something, why don't I do what's right for me? I'm going to leave myself in your hands. I trust you and just go for it. I was feeling kind of blah, 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 and maybe just accepting being retired and a new life, but a more simpler, boring life. And now I feel revitalized and alive, and when COVID is over, I'm going to be able to go out and feel good about myself. Be lighthearted, fresh, and stylish. When my daughter called and said she was able to get me rescheduled for this year, I ran in to tell my husband, I said, guess what? I can still get in. I can get in before this year because that's the end of it. There's not going to be the same format. And he says, well, you'll probably be going alone. He was afraid of COVID and closing the state down. I thought, well, yeah, I will go alone then. Kind of a little disappointed that he wasn't like sharing in my excitement. As we were leaving today, he was out on the front porch with his little iPad waving to me and videotaping my transformation, my road journey to getting a new me. So he did care. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, but it does help for them to keep continuing with what they're doing. I told her when we have Girls Weekend, I said, when you turn 18, you can be a part of this whole group too. And she goes, Grandma, will you be dead then? Now I look young. Now she knows that I'll still be alive. I'm alive.